Gino is making tri di carne alla modenese with insalata di zucchini.
Yes!
Yeah?
Yes, very good, very good.
Thank
Actually,
you.
funny enough, I walked this morning in Amanda's dressing room.
Yes,
very
he didn't
early.
knock either.
I don't know, I just walked in. And I could hear somebody talking in Italian. It was Amanda trying to practicing.
She's
the
taking
Italian.
it very seriously.
Very
Which is very
seriously.
good, very good.
Is this fake or is this real tan?
Huh? Look at that. What do you think about that? Huh?
That is definitely
Do you
a
call
white
this
hat.
fat?
Bad tan, actually.
No,
You've
not
been
bad.
off too long.
I've been on for 5 weeks.
What you making?
Okay, we're going to make my great-grandmother recipe, which is a trio of meat served with zucchini salad. Now, it's important why the reason we do this trio of meats. The idea behind this, when you have a barbecue on Saturday and Sunday in Italy, Italian people will always buy a little bit more meat. And in fact, what I'm using here is things that you can put on the barbecue, which is beef, sausages, and ribs. We buy a little bit more because then we have this thing to make the sauce with whatever is left over. Or, if you buy a little bit more, you make the sauce for the week, okay? Which is a beautiful tomato sauce made with meat. Now, Philip, if you can come here on my left, Amanda, you stay there on the right. The first thing that we do the courgette salad, okay? For the courgette salad, I got some courgettes which you thinly slice, lengthways,
Yes.
very important. Brush with a little bit of oil and you grill.
Okay.
Then I got some ciabatta bread. Make sure that it doesn't burn. I'll give you this one.
Yes.
And once it's nice and toasted, you're going to rub it with garlic. That is the original garlic bread.
Okay.
Amanda, do
So
you
would you
cook?
turn this over? Yes.
Yeah?
I do cook. I'm not very good. Chris will tell you that, my husband who's watching.
Okay, well, so see, this one is a very easy recipe
This
for
does look
anyone to
easy.
do. How you doing, all right?
Yeah, yeah.
Did you have a good summer?
I had a lovely summer. Crack on.
Yeah? Okay. Now, what I want you to do for me is a dressing for my courgettes. Honey, lemon juice, chili, and extra virgin olive oil. Put everything together, whisk, 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 and then it's done.
I'm going to start with that. So do you want
You start with that.
all of that, yeah?
No, all of it.
No, okay.
You start at the beginning, you have to taste. Then I got you a little bit of crushed pistachio nuts.
Okay.
Which, you know, you get the crunch with the sweet courgettes, and then you're going to
Nice.
get the chili that is going through the sweetness of the courgette. That's the way you
yes,
want to
lovely.
do it. Now, what do you do with the meat is very simple. Which one is my camera? That one. Okay. What do we do with the meat is very simple. You get the sausages, you get the ribs, and you get the meat. And I'm using the top side of beef because then it can hold the 2 hour cooking. You put it in a frying pan like this with onions and fresh rosemary. Okay?
Lovely.
But have a look on the bottom of the pan. I don't know if you
That
can
looks
get...
caramelised.
That's exactly what you want.
Gorgeous.
You want it to keep scrubbing that caramel because that is going to give it the flavor to the sauce. Okay? So you want to fry this for about 15 to 20 minutes and keep scrubbing like I'm doing. Then in there you're going to put a little bit of chili flakes, and I'm using the dry one. I'm not using the
better
fresh
to
one
use Yeah.
because
dry?
they burn very quickly. No, that's okay. The courgettes, make sure the courgettes are okay.
Yeah.
So after that, guys,
Oh,
what
God,
you do...
see, that one's burnt. What do
Okay,
I do
that's
with
fine,
that?
that's fine. If you can put them in the tray where Phillips goes. So get the tray, bring it here, put the
Yes,
courgette into the tray.
I will do that right
now,
away.
Once we are on this pot, there is... How is it done?
It's very nice. Did you say you wanted the pistachio in there
Put
as
the
well,
pistachio,
chef?
fold everything
What about-
in there.
and this?
This one, what I've done, I got some Parmesan cheese, Parmigiano Reggiano, which you cut into little chunks, okay?
Is that, where's that going? In here as
It's
well?
going into the
Ruin this.
dressing. No,
Look.
you're not ruining. That's fine, don't worry about it.
Is there fire alarms in here?
Actually, that's a good point. I'm sure there is. Now, once we are at this stage with the meat, which everything is crispy and caramelized, tinned chopped tomatoes. So you pick them up and it goes straight on top, okay? Now, at this point, what you want to
How
do,
many
guys...
tins are in there? How many
you
tins
put,
of tomatoes?
I've got 3 tins of chopped tomatoes.
Okay.
So what you do, you mix everything, you lower the heat, okay? This is something you're going to like, this kind of recipe.
just
But
love
you
this.
tasted the
Gino,
final
sorry,
one.
do I just get that and do that?
Yes. What you do, people, they
Just
think a garlic bread you need to do with butter, parsley,
Yeah.
like the American... That's not the way to do it. This is the original garlic bread. Look, gently
Thank God I
rub
got
it
my
on
nails
top.
done. That's all
With
I'm
a little bit of
thinking.
olive oil on there as
A
well?
little bit of olive oil that you can brush here. A little bit of
Okay.
olive oil.
Oh.
You just brush it on top.
That's
Now,
gorgeous.
once you're here with the tomato sauce, very simple. You put a
Yes.
little bit of basil
Very
leaves.
stinky fingers.
Okay, like that. Put the basil leaves over. Then you pour your tomato concentrated. This is going to make the tomato sauce very chewy, very gooey. Like, yeah?
Ooh.
So you put it there, you mix it. Don't season with salt and pepper at the moment. The tip here is to season at the end. Okay? Because just in case the pork or the Italian sauce is got already salt in there. So once you've done that, gently cover with a lid and let
Beautiful
it bubble it
colours.
away. Let it bubble it away for 2 hours. But don't forget, every now and then you go there, you stir it.
Yeah.
Okay? You done your dressing?
Is that
Where is
the-
your courgette?
This is done.
The courgette's here. Make sure everything
Does
is
that
folded
look the
deep.
right sort of consistency to you?
Amazing, amazing, amazing. Nice and cloudy because look, the lemon juice does that to make sure that it's nice and cloudy. Put it there, fold everything together.
What do you want me
This
to
is
do with that?
perfect. If you can cut this one lengthways so
Yeah.
they look nice and pretty. Look at that. Can you see the
Ooh.
color? Can
The
you see the
colour
color
is
as well?
stunning.